Hello everyone, welcome to my online class. This is Danan sir, and once again I am present with a new chapter of environmental studies, the chapter number 11, and the title of this chapter is Air and Water. In this chapter, we will learn about the importance of air. We will learn about bridges and storms, about air pollution, about water and its usage, about different sources of water, about saving water. So many subtopics are in this chapter, and this is your first video. So first we will do reading practice. Okay, so let's start the reading practice. STARTING, starting POINT, point. What are these children doing? ये बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? Okay, but before this, IMPORTANC, importance of air. BREEZES, bridges, and STORMS, storms. About air, POLLUTION, pollution, air pollution. About water and its USES, usage. DIFFERENT, different. SOURCES, sources of water. SAVING, saving water. The boy is GETTING, getting his football. FILLED, filled. FILLED, filled with dash. क्या होगा? The boy is getting his filled with air. The girl is GIRL, girl is BLOWING, blowing dash into a BALLOON, balloon. The girl is blowing air into a balloon. LEARNING, learning. LADDER, ladder, learning ladder. Air is all, AROUND, around, us. We, CANNOT, cannot, SEEC, it, as, it is. COLOURLESS, colorless. We can only feel it. Air is all around us. We cannot see it as it is colorless. We can only feel it. Now come to the page number 64. WHY, why do we NEED, need air? Why do we need air? Air is ESSENTIAL, essential for our day-to-day ACTIVITIES activities. We BREATH, breathe. We breathe in OXYGEN, oxygen. WHICH, which is one of the GASES, gases. One of the gases. PRESENT, present in the ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere. Air, HELPS, helps. KITES, cats, and BIRDS, birds, to fly. FLY, fly. AIR, air, also helps. VEHICLES, vehicles like BOATS, boats, and AEROPLANES, aeroplanes, to move. BREEZE, bridge, and STORM, storm. moving. Moving air is CALLED called WIND. Wind. Moving air is called wind. When WHEN, when the air BLOWS, blows GENTLY, gently, it is CALLED called BREEZE, bridge. Bridge. It is called bridge. While a very strong wind is called storm. When the air blows gently, it is called breeze, while a very strong wind is called storm. AIR, air, POLLUTION, pollution, air pollution. Air, GETS, gets, POLLUTED, polluted. DUE, due. To the SMOKE, smoke. COMING, coming. OUT, out of. FACTORIES, factories. What? Factories. And VEHICLES, vehicles. Vehicles. This smoke, SMOK, smoke, has HARMFUL, harmful, GASES, gases, WHICH, which, POLLUTE, pollute the air, BREATHING, breathing, THIS, this air can also, CAUSE, cause, DISEASES, disease, age, DISEASES, diseases means बीमारियाँ. KNOW, know. Do you know how can you make the polluted air clean? By PLANTING, planting more trees. And second one is by asking your parents to get their vehicles checked, 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 REGULARLY, regularly. By asking your parents to get their vehicle checked regularly. Now come to the page number 65. Water and its usage. But before this, you can see that in page number 65, quick question is there. Oh, the tire of Pia's cycle got PUNCTURED, punctured. How will it be repaired? REPAIRED, repaired. Water and its usage. Water is ESSENTIAL, essential for us. All of us, NEED, need water, 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 to LIVE, live. All of us need water to live. THERE, there are. MANY, many. USES, usage of water in our DAILY, daily. LIFE, life. Water is COLOURLESS, colorless. It has no SHAP, shape. It has no shape. It TAKES, takes the SHAPE, shape of any. CONTAINER, container. It is POURED, poured. INTO, into. It takes the shape of any container it is poured into. POURED, poured. Poured means उड़ेलना या ढालना. WEVNEED, need. WATER, Water for a number of ACTIVITIES activities like DRINKING drinking, BATHING bathing, COOKING cooking, FOOD food cooking food, and WASHING washing, CLOTHES clothes washing clothes. SOURCES sources of water, sources of water. RAIN rain is the main. Source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater, 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 FILLS, fills, RIVERS, rivers, LAKES, lakes, PONDS, ponds, and OCEANS, oceans. SOME, some of the RAINWATER, water, rainwater, also SEEPS, ships. INTO, into the GROUND, ground. VTAK, take, OUT, out, take out, THIS, this, UNDER, GROUND, ground, underground. We take out this underground. WATER, water, by DIGGING, digging. WELLS, wells, or USING, using. HANDPUMPS, hand pumps. We take out this underground water by digging wells or using hand pumps. Now come to the page number 66. CAN, can, WEVDRINK, drink, THIS, this, WATER. Can we drink this water? The water that we get from THES, these, SOURCES, sources, is not, not, SAF, is safe for, DRINKING, drinking, WEVMUST, must, BOIL, boil, or FILTER, filter. We must boil or filter. THE, the, WATER, water, BEFORE, before, DRINKING, drinking, IT, it. Next is SAVING, saving, WATER, saving water. Water is very important, important for all of us. VSHOULD, should, we should, TRY, try, TO2, SAVE, save it. We should try to save it. First, WEVSHOULD, should. USC, use a BUCKET, bucket. FOR, BATHING, bathing. We should use a bucket for bathing. Next, WEV, can use the LEFTOVER, leftover water in our water, BOTTLES, water bottles, to water the plants. And the last one is, we should get a LEAKING, leaking tap, REPAIRED, repaired. So students, it was the reading practice. First of all of you also do these things. All of you will read this chapter first to understand properly. In next video, I will explain these all subtopics one by one. Thank you.